everyone, today is our third day of code. Third day, here day 2, here it is written as day 2 operators. So in this challenge we will work with arithmetic operators. Here the task is given as the meal price of the base content, meal price, tip percent and the tax percent is given. So we have to find and print the meal's total cost and round off the result to the nearest integer. So it's given an example. Let's assume that the meal cost is 100, tip percent is 15, tax percent is 8, and so a tip of 15% into 100 equals to 15 and the taxes are 8% into 100 equals to 8. And then print the value 123 and return from the function. So here there is a given function. Yeah, void solve. We have to complete the function. And then the function description. We have to complete the solve function. The solve function has the following parameters. There are given some parameters to the function: int meal cost, tip percent, and tax percent, which returns, and the function returns nothing. It is a void function given here, void type of function. And then we have to print the calculated value rounded to the nearest integer. Okay, so here there is given a sample input. The sample input contains of 3 lines. The first line has a double meal cost, the meal cost which is of type double, then tip percent which is of type integer, and the tax percent which is of type integer. Then the sample output comes to be 15. So how it comes? Let's see. There is an explanation here. Given the meal cost is 12, tip percent equals to 20, tax percent equals to 8. So the calculations will be as the tip equals to 12 and 12 by 100 into 20. We are calculating the percentage and getting 2.4, and the tax same, and we are getting the percentage as 0.96, and we have to calculate the total cost. Total cost equals to meal cost plus tip plus tax. So adding this 3, we are getting this output 15.36, which is in decimal. It is a double type value. So we have to round this off by using this round function. Round the total cost equals 15 and the result will be 15 as here. So we have to do this. See, we have included a header file bits std c++.h, which includes all the header files in C++, and I have already chosen the language as C++. And here we have to solve this, and then in the main function they are taking this as input as a string, and then after that calling the function, a solve function here, and then they are calling other functions as they are taken input as string, and then calling other functions like iltrim and rtrim, that is a trim from the left side and the trim for the right side. These are extra, although still no problem. We have just to solve the function. Here we have given the task to complete this function. So let's do it. So first we have to calculate the percentage. Okay. Double tip total cost first, total cost, then double tip equals to plus tax percent by 100. This is the percentage in mathematics which we have learned in school. Then we will add this total cost equals to meal cost plus tip plus tax, and then we have to see out. We have to print see out. First we have to round off this because this will output in a double type in decimal, so we have to round this and print it. Then round total cost. Round is a function. Inbuilt function in C++, which helps to you to round off any round to the nearest integer, which helps round any float value or double type value into the nearest integer. So let's run this code. Yeah, both the sample test cases is passed, and then submit code. Okay, so we are done. This was all for today. I hope you have accessed the playlist of the 30 days of coding challenge. Link is given in the description box, and the source code link is also given in the description box. I hope you liked it. So this was all for today. Thank you.